Hi, this is Anthony Halley, Assistant Editor at Mining.com. Today we spoke with Corrie Pitzer, founder and CEO of SAFEmap International, considered the world's leading consultancy in work safety. Mr. Pitzer will be one of 5 expert speakers at Safety on the Edge, a 2-day conference in Australia in June and July that will tackle misconceptions and the changing global landscape in work safety. Have a look. How did you first become interested in work safety?
Well, actually, I didn't become interested in it at all. I was a human resource manager for a mining company way back in '82. And one of my first jobs was actually to go and advise the wife of a person who had been killed on the mine and the family that he had been killed. And I saw the worst end of safety. The mine manager and I then embarked on a whole series of programs. And he pulled me out of HR and said, from now on, use safety, and that's how it started.
All right, and how are work safety practices changing around the world today?
There's a significant focus on programs, structural programs, compliance in the industry, and enforcement. And that hasn't changed much. There's been quite a focus on behavioral safety over the years, but the key focus was always compliance, and that's been almost a bit of a downside of safety, because we have to look at how do we get beyond compliance, because people get injured and killed while they're complying.
And where does safety leadership fit into all of this?
Safety leadership is the key to the whole thing. Safety leaders in the organization create the culture in the organization, and the culture is what actually drives people's behaviors. And from that perspective, safety leadership is a new angle on the whole focus on safety. Because if you look at how leaders operate, they actually innovate, they move boundaries, they kind of break rules. But in safety, we cannot do that. So what has happened over the years is we've lost the ability to innovate in the business. And safety leadership, the way we look at it, brings it all together again.
And so specifically now to the upcoming conference, who will be presenting, what are the key themes, and why should people be interested?
The conference is called Safety on the Edge, and the idea behind it is that safety needs to change fundamentally. We're at the edge of what we can do capably now. We have a great range of speakers. The key speaker of the lot is Professor Sidney Dekker, who is a worldwide specialist in aviation safety and also in high-risk environments. And he's our keynote speaker and key presenter. We also have a Professor John Adams, who's from London University. And he wrote a very great book about risk. And he's also the developer and father of the concept called risk compensation. Then we have Dr. Todd Conklin, who is an outstanding specialist in the field of human error, or what we think is human error. He has some great new innovations and ideas about what human error really is all about. We have Dr. Rob Robson from Canada, who's going to go there, and he's a specialist in quite an advanced concept in safety, what we call resilient safety. And he's our other speaker, and I'm the other speaker, and I'm focusing on 7 delusions that disaster-prone organizations have. Okay,
thank you very much. And yes, just why should people be interested in this conference?
The conference will provide insight into a world of safety and safety management that is largely unknown to the industry. It is probably what's going to happen in safety in the next 10, 20 years. And this will equip safety professionals and line managers and operational managers with the skills and insights to take safety of their organizations into the future. And that's why I think people should be there.
Excellent. Mr. Pitzer, thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you.